we would like to introduce you to white neem. White neem, a product that was developed in 2015, has been receiving positive reviews. Furthermore, we have safeguarded our manufacturing technique and taken out 100 million won product liability insurance in order to protect farmers' valuable properties. Mites grow by parasitizing on and taking away nutrients from plants equal to about 25% of their weight per hour. Since they mature into adults after just 7 days, serious damages can occur if a prompt control does not take place. In addition, white neem effectively protects crops from various pests and pathogens. The contents are sprayed as small particles that are only about 10% of the size of the particles sprayed from conventional high-pressure water nozzles. White neem's special manufacturing process ensures spatial distribution with surely produced particles when passing through the equipment. Pesticides sprayed using white neem are spread, and they float around the interior space of greenhouses as microparticles for at least 3 hours, evenly distributing the pesticides to all parts of the plants. All the raw materials are plant-based, so there are no particular damages on pollinating bees and plants. Microparticles of pesticide produced by white neem maximize the area and time exposed to sunlight, leading to fast oxidation. It is supplied to farmers through strict manufacturing and distribution management. It has tested negative for 320 types of toxic substances, and the standard value of the 8 toxic heavy metal residues has met the standard of organic materials. White neem, has been rated as safe from damages for 5 different crops by Korea Biosafety Institute. The crop damage test for white neem diffuser was carried out under the provision of the Rural Development Administration of Korea. The test was conducted with strawberry, chili pepper, napa cabbage, lettuce, and beans. Their young crops were transplanted in the greenhouses, where they were set up to the same conditions as any typical farm, and they were sprayed with the recommended amount and double the recommended amount of the pesticide, using white neem diffuser. Then, external damages on crops were examined after 3, 5, and 7 days. White neem was proven to be a very reliable and stable farming material since it has almost no toxicity for honeybees that are responsible for pollination of plants, which is most important in biosafety for farming materials. Based on these scientific analyses, white neem has been actively used on almost all crops, including lettuce, chunhae-young, satoga, mushroom, cucumber, watermelon, hangum-hyung, perilla, chili pepper, peach, banana, blueberry, and strawberry, regardless whether they are grown outdoor or in greenhouse. It has especially been greatly welcomed by strawberry greenhouse farms across the country for the past 4 years. Not only is white neem diffuser safe to use for controlled environment agriculture, but is also safe to use for animal farming facilities, disinfection and sanitization for general and different environment facilities. For farms with controlled environment agriculture facilities, based on one greenhouse, sized about 200 pyong, a mix of 400 cc of water and 700 cc of white neem should be used. White neem makes single-handed prevention and extermination of pests possible. Work can be done within 7 minutes based on 200 pyong, significantly saving water and manpower. Keep the separation distance between the nozzle and the crops to minimum of 50 cm from each other. It is recommended to use up all the contents to avoid reuse. Currently, white neem has about 30 operation headquarters and sales offices in different provinces across the country, and we are doing our best to live up to the expectations of the farmers nationwide. We began to expand into overseas markets in 2019 in countries including Kenya, India, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, and have been receiving more and more positive reviews from them. Are always doing our best to bring and develop products and new technology that farmers can trust and use. It is our goal to measure up to our farmers who put tireless effort into cultivating healthy crops and to secure the dependability of the products that farms can trust and use. We are a company that cares about the environment and people. We are a company that cares about the environment and people. We provide healthy food to the table. And for farmers, we make sure they have a happy working environment. White Neem, Ilgong Bio Co., Ltd.